Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make a personal portfolio using Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to canva.com, log in into your account, and from here on we need to search for a template that we could actually use. Because in this case, we first have to basically search the template itself so that we'll be able to easily create our portfolio website. In this case, go to the search your contents or canvas. In this case, just type in the following, which is going to be portfolio website. From here, go ahead and press enter to search for it. In this case, there are going to be a lot of websites that you can actually use here. So in this case, I would suggest you to basically filter them. So click on all filters here and just scroll down a bit here and choose the option that says free. Now, if you have a pro account, you could go ahead and use pro here because they have more functionalities and they are more aesthetically more pleasing. In this case, let's go ahead and choose free. Now, in this case, once you've chosen that, click on apply at the bottom right. And from here, choose your portfolio. So for example, I want to use this design here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Click on customize this template. In this case, what we need to do next is we just need to start customizing our portfolio website. In this case, go ahead and click on this image here. Go to your upload section, and from here, go ahead and upload your own photo. So for example, I want to use this photo. Go ahead and drag it into that photo. Just scroll down a bit here and basically start changing the contents that you see here. Like for example, we have the name here. We could go ahead and just replace this with our actual name. And in this case, you could go ahead and just change whatever text that you want to change here. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and just start doing any of the changes that you want. But once you've applied all the changes and updated all the photos that you see here, what you need to do is you just need to click on publish website at the top right. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to basically provide the following information. So in this case, you could go ahead and resize on mobile if you want to have it available on mobile. Also, if you want to add navigations, make sure to indicate it if you want to. Now, once you've done that, choose the option that says free domain, but if you have your own domain, choose the buy a new domain or use existing domain. In this case, let's go ahead and click on free domain, click on continue, and from here, we need to indicate the settings or the page URL. So for example, I'm going to say this is going to be my portfolio. In this case, once you have that, so if the URL is actually valid, you'll be able to see it here. So if it's not valid, you need to change that. Now in this case, let's go ahead and click on publish to publish our website, and it's going to start preparing your website. And once it's actually prepared, you should be able to start using or viewing your portfolio website. In this case, it's actually pretty easy to create your own professional website here. Just click on view website here to view your current website. Once you've done that, you should be able to see the following information, which is actually pretty cool. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.